This is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps for claiming a Hoover warranty. You are encouraged to read the 3 simple steps described on our website to make the Hoover warranty claim. They encompass the registration process, steps to extend the warranty, and ways to get in touch with the customer support team. The phone number 877-816-2058 and address have been provided to reach out to them. Go to Hoover's website. After entering the website, you can find the support section at the top. Their working hours are 9 and 3 p.m. EST, Monday to Friday. The first solution for your defective products is troubleshooting. If troubleshooting does not help the defective products get back to their normal condition, then they agree to provide you with a replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.